which of the following choices validates the ministry's proposal? In other words, strengthens, right, completes the argument. In other words, you are looking at an assumption, right? So what is it that must be part of this argument and therefore makes the argument correct? So we are looking at an assumption over here. Government service should be made compulsory only in situations of national crisis. For this reason, the Health Ministry's proposal to make it compulsory for all medical graduates to serve at least 2 years in the grossly undermanned rural government hospitals should not be implemented. In other words, but we are saying which one of the following choices validates the ministry's proposal. In other words, we are not looking at the argument of the person who says it should not be implemented. We are looking at the argument of the health ministry which wanted to make it compulsory. Now, government service should not be made compulsory, should be made compulsory only in situation of national crisis. If that is the case, then going by this reason, the health ministry's proposal is not implemented, but the health ministry actually is going by it, and therefore obviously the health ministry believes it's a national crisis. In other words, the undermanned rural government hospital is a national crisis. Fine. That can only be the assumption that the government is working on, and that would validate the ministry's proposal. So let's see. A. The welfare of the people is the matter of utmost importance in any government's list of priorities. Very clearly, that makes it, if you are going to have undermanned rural government hospitals, the welfare of the people is at risk, and therefore, since that is a crisis, we would want to make it compulsory. So let's keep A aside because it actually validates. B. The government implements only such proposals and policies as are crucial to the well-being of the people. Now the government implements only such proposals. You're doing a posteriority. Because they implemented it, must be valid. Because they implemented it, must be necessary. No, they implemented because it's necessary. So I don't look at B. C. There are few private practitioners or hospitals in rural areas. The government is the only healthcare provider. We are not told that. We are not told that there aren't any private practitioners. We are not told that the government is the only health provider. Now, even if that was true, the government is the only healthcare provider does not mean that it becomes a crisis. The crisis is that they are undermanned. That's the point. And therefore, C is not what we are looking at. D. Service to the people in a crisis is the duty of the citizen. What makes the crisis? The crisis is the undermanned part. So, we are not saying service in the crisis is the duty. We are saying what is the crisis? This is a crisis. Undermanned hospital is a crisis. And therefore, the welfare of the people is a crisis because, I mean, the absence of welfare for the people is a crisis because you have undermanned hospitals. So, A becomes the answer.